voice but not the sound. It followed me without a ground. The path I took refused to end. It bent around and started again. The forest doesn't start or stop. It just continues after thought. And every step I try to take becomes a step. It doesn't break. The woods don't end. The woods don't end. They only learn where I begin. The woods don't end. The branches lean like listening bone, each one pretending it's alone. But when I turn my head too fast, they rearrange into the past. There is no distance in this place, just shifting versions of the same face. And every time I think I've crossed, I realize I've only lost.
The woods don't end, they don't pretend.
They only bend where I defend.